Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are not already, I would love to have you as one of my brand new subscribers here on my YouTube channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I'm a happy planner fanatic. So if you do subscribe to my channel, then you will be getting tons of happy planner content. It is all that I share about because it's all that I have because I am so obsessed. So this is my mini vertical planner, and this week it is National Coffee Day. So I have a few different sticker books here to me on the left that I have already picked out, and it has to do with lots of coffees and lots of, well, you can't see, but here's the coffee stickers, and then here are like some fall themed leaves, and then some pumpkins as well. So I also have a few others over to the side that I'm not sure if it's going to work out, but we're going to see. In this mini vertical, I've truly been struggling with how I want to use it, like what function it's going to play for me. But so far, I've really just been enjoying decorating it and then writing a few things here and there. And sometimes it's just like that. I'm not really sure, you know, what will be in store in the future, but right now that's what I'm working with. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using some of these big, and I'm gonna move this camera a little bit. I'm gonna use some of these bigger pumpkins, like over, I was thinking kind of like down here, and see how there's like this big and then medium, and then these are like super tiny, but I'm going to be using those tiny ones in a different spread soon, and I'm excited for that. I believe I've done it in the past. It's been a long time, because to be honest, I forget about this mega book. I really do. And it's a shame because it is just full of so many things. And I had someone ask last time I posted this sticker book. This is a mega book. So it is just massive, and it has 100 sticker sheets. So you open it this way, and then there's 50 on this side and 50 on this side. And it's crazy. And it has all of the seasons in it. So I'm using these last 2 pages on this side, which it's just double. And then over here, it's the second page. So that's a little rundown on that. Okay, so the other thing is trying to figure out washi. I feel like I really want to go all out this week. So let me show. Okay, I want to use this washi. This is like, they're kind of just like little arrows, I guess. And they're orange. I think it's cute. So I'm just going to traditionally put it just kind of up at the top. And cut that little bit that's torn on the end. And washi can serve a lot of different purposes, but this is like specifically just functional. I mean, there's really no use other than, did I say functional? I meant decorative. It's just decorative. I mean, it really just adds a little bit of personality to the page, more color, and helps fill up some of the space, since I'm going to go all out in this. So I'm going to do it all, you know. All right. So let me see. My other idea was coming from both of these. So there is this sticker kind of up here to the front where it says more coffee, please. And I had a thought to cut out the more coffee, please part and not have the yellow because it doesn't match. All right, I'm gonna try it. Just kind of like in the sidebar. It seems a little bit red, but I think it's fine. The other thing is, wow, I flipped right to it. Here is but first yourself in encouragement, but I'm gonna cut out the but first at the top. Okay. Should I put it, yeah, maybe I should put it on this side. I'm gonna put it over top of this line. All right. Then out of this old memory planning book, there's this that says coffee. And I said I was going all out, so that's what I'm doing. But first, coffee. All right. And then out of this mega book, I'm gonna just take one of these coffees down here at the bottom. And put it at the end. Oh my gosh. Tell me that is not just so adorable. I love it. Then from Seasonal Fall, this says I love fall most of all. I want to cut and then put it down at the bottom. So it says, I love fall. And then over on this side is most of all. Now this is stinking adorable. Okay, awesome. So I did quotes first, which is not normally what I do, but so I was out of Seasonal Fall. Now I'm thinking, this thing is like just so chunky. It's just like, there's no good way to do this. Let me see. So I was thinking like these big pumpkins down here. I don't know if I'm gonna do two big ones. Yeah, that's cute. Let's try that. Okay. All right, then definitely got to start sticking down all these coffees. I think I need to pick this up and move it a little bit so I can stick a coffee right here. Oops. Okay. There we go. Now, let's see. Now, some of the leaves definitely would help. I need to get some kind of boxes. Let's see. I could definitely use gold. So maybe I'll get out original colorful boxes. There we go. The back. Okay. Can put a box right in this open section. There we go. And that'll help like kind of break up that section. Just work hard and be nice. Let's see where I could put this. I kind of like that. And I'm going out of town this weekend by myself. So I could put like some things in some boxes during that. This would be good on Saturday, maybe? Right. Oh, that's cute. I definitely like the brown a lot. Let me like move this. This is so freaking cute. I was just telling my husband before I turned the camera on, I feel like the Happy Planner needs to make a coffee sticker book. Oh my gosh, I would die. I would definitely get 3 copies. I love coffee so much. All right. Could put some up here. Do some of this. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Let's put it kind of like here. Okay, I'm freaking obsessed with this. This is so cute. Let's put a pumpkin kind of like right here. And I'm gonna cut just a little bit so it looks like it's like under, and I'll cut a tiny bit right here. Okay, So this will fit right in this corner. Yes, that's very nice. Very nice. All right. I only have one of these brown leaves, so I definitely need more of those. I love this. How about let's put some kind of something right here. It's a lot of open spot. I could put like, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. That's a good size. Okay. Then I'm gonna cover up where it says today and put this leaf. How cute is that? Maybe I'll stick one or two of these pumpkins down, the small ones. Oh, look at that. It's like 3 sizes. Do that one and maybe try up here. All right. I think that's it. Oh my gosh, I really want to use this week. So I'm gonna do it. I definitely want to do it. Any other thing that I'm forgetting or looking over? I might put something like to do in this sidebar. All right, mini planner basics, and it's back here. See? I can get this one, super tiny. All right, I can put that in the sidebar. And I can have my brown, where is it, right here. This is what I really like to do. I make little bullet points. I like doing that. Okay. And I think that's it. I actually use a lot of sticker books, which is funny because I started by saying, I'm really just decorating this just to be fun, but now I love it so much that I told myself I am definitely using this week. This is so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with it already. All right, let me put in the discs. Let's see. All right. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. I'm telling you, fall themes are my favorite. It just feels so cozy. I love it. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.